Hello guys, I'm Gary. Today I'm with Bridgee at CEDIA Show 2023. So what about us? We are a high-tech company for making good cables. A lot more about the home theater accessories. So this is our flagship Mark Series fiber HDMI 2.1 cable. So what's the magic for this cable? And first of all, we have already get ISF and HDMI 2.1 certification. And then we use all the high quality materials inside the cable, like the silver plated, because fiber cable needs copper wires as well. And then we use the 30 mil gold plated for the connectors. It can make the connector be more strong. And then the unique solution we use for this cable is what we call OE Optis. It's actually like the optical electrical conversion engine. So in this, this is mean like we can get less and less single loss, because during the conversion process, there is actually a single loss happen on there. So we just use this solution to make this cable be more perfect, and make more like transfer signal be more perfect and very well. So not only we do HDMI cables, but also we do this kind of like audio cables like XLR cable and speaker cables, subwoofer cables. We got them all in high quality level because we're using all high quality materials like the silver plated, oxygen-free copper, and then we use our own tanker and windings controls. Yeah, we can get a better sound. That means. So this is our home theater smart controller, and this is a very simple programming, not a complicated one. So if you are kind of like using this controller in your home theater room, I definitely recommend this. So basically, we have this controller. You can totally control up to 10 devices. We use 6 IR and 4232 output connection ports. And we can use the smart panel and the remote to control. And so right now, I'm gonna show you a little bit how this thing works. So basically, this thing can control all about the amplifiers and player DVD, screen, the lights. So basically right now, it is showing the moving sense, but I can use the button to switch like a game sense. So just wait a second, you see the screen goes up, and you switch to the game sense. So after that, if you want to leave your home theater room, and you can just simply press the leave button. So all your devices gonna be turned off each one by one. So you see it here? Okay. And then so first of all, if you enter your room, you can press the enter button. Okay. So they're gonna be activate each one by one again. So guys, you see this turn on. This is a DVD player, a Blu-ray DVD player, and amplifier, the lights, and that's it. So the last important thing is that we have a really simplified programming. It's basically like using our own software. You just put everything for the devices, and you can drag and drop based on this map, and you know the diagram logical relationship, and we can just click this and generate the sense automatically. So this is about our products. It's a little bit interesting for you guys. If you want to know more about us, please visit our website. Our website information is www.bridgeetech.com. Yeah, please make sure that send us a message.